Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week. Let's look at the market and see what we can get from the market this week. Okay, so if you have been looking for an opportunity to have profitable trades, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that we can analyze together. And of course, from your end, you can know what to do after this video. So before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with Ganex 1200, and I'm really happy that we are starting this today, because this is just the beginning of the week and it will help us to know what we should go for. Okay, this actually got to the support zone at this spot. It got to the support zone at this spot, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it switched into an uptrend and it bought till it got to this region. So right now it is at this resistance. Okay, you can see it got there around here, tried to sell and went back there again, still unable to break out from there. So definitely this is selling right now. So then this is giving us a kind of M vibe. Okay, and of course at least I expect it to get to this region. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it should get to the support zone at this point. So this is where I am expecting it to get to first. So this is going to sell more at the moment, just the way it is selling. You can see it has given us the downtrend signal and it has given us the sell signal, and it is selling at the moment. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, that is on 15-minute time frame. So the next asset also will also be on, in short, all the assets that we'll be checking out will be on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is Ganex 999. So Ganex 999 actually was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone and tried to go back on uptrend. Okay, so just the way we are seeing this, it has given us more selling opportunity right from there till it got to this region. But right now it's trying to go back on uptrend, but this is having a pullback at the moment. Okay, so once it is done with the pullback, then I expect it to continue with the uptrend. So I'm expecting this pullback to get to this region. But if it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend and even buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. Okay, Paynex 1200 started an uptrend right from here and it came to an end at this point. Okay, and of course I'm going to prove this. I'm going to show you something. This actually switched into a downtrend right from here. It switched into a downtrend and gave us the sell signal, and it has been selling since then. It had another pullback around there, gave us another selling signal again, and it has been selling. Okay, so it has gotten to this support region, and okay, we are most likely to see another pullback around there before selling more. But and if it does not, then definitely it's still going to sell more and maybe targeting this particular support zone. However, if you should notice, okay, after that support zone, which means if you should break out from this support zone, we still have more areas to pick, to milk. Okay, so this support zone is very important because it is a significant position. It is a major support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, we are most likely to have a switch in the direction of the trend. But once it breaks out from there, then definitely we have more selling opportunity, and this is where we want it to get to right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, just where we are saying this was a support zone, and of course it bought it, it got to this region, tried to sell for a while, but went back up to start a new downtrend, and of course that was giving off the M vibes, and of course it sold till it got to that same support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it is switching back into an uptrend right now, and it has given us a buy signal, so we expect it to buy more right from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. That might be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so guys, if you are wondering how we are able to analyze all these assets in a unique way, I am actually using a simple trading strategy which I've been giving a positive result on daily basis. And what does the strategy actually tells us? Okay, the strategy is actually a trend trading strategy. What it means is that you only need to trade the signal that supports the trend. For instance, when it got to the support zone at this point, it switched into an uptrend. So when it switched into an uptrend, it gave us a buy signal, and which is a signal that supports an uptrend signal. So at this stage, you don't need a sell signal. You only need to focus on the buy signal. So you look for every opportunity to buy into the market. So the same thing happened when it got to the resistance zone right here. When it got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it switched back into a downtrend and it gave us a sell signal. So what am I trying to say? For a downtrend signal, you only need a sell signal to trade. Okay, so you don't need the buy signals. The buy signals will only make you lose your money at that particular point because the market is not favorable for it at that particular point. So so that is very, very important for you to know. Okay, that is very, very important for you to know. So it is important you know that So I'm going to go back there now. It is important that you know that the trend is always important whenever you are trading. If the trend is not in your favor, then you are most likely to get it wrong. Okay, so you need to make sure you are trading alongside with the trend. Okay, so if the trend is on downtrend, then the only signal you should go for is a sell signal. If the trend is on uptrend, the only signal you should go for should be a buy signal. This is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. I hope you have learned one or two things today. Okay, so in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you and God bless you.